So it's a huge ask, but I think it's an interesting test to run every time a new model is dropped. Hey, can you print me money yet? You can see it got to 0.18% on one of them. So still not good, but it's going to keep optimizing and looping and optimizing. I wonder how much this is costing. That's the thing. We'll see. You know, I was using GLM before. You got this one was 12%. It's optimizing until 50%. It's pretty much doing the research of what like a quant dev would do. Just, hey, I'm going to backtest. And then one of the agents fixes the bugs. One of them like focuses on the packages, etc., etc. You can see negative 69%, targets 50%. So it'll just roll here forever. Let's see what it's looking like. I go to open router because I'm using open router. And if you're not yet, I would definitely I would look into open router. It's pretty cool. You're just able to work with every model pretty easily. You see how I flip to that real quick? I can open this up here. And you can see I was using, let's see, Minimax, GLM today. I actually don't even see GPT 5.4 yet on here. Let's see if it's in my activities. And I think this is going to be more of like a long test. I got to test this for the week, even though I just switched my plan over to Minimax. 308. What's going on here? GLM. Are we using GLM still, dude? Holy helly. So on that RBI agent PP multi, did you switch that all to GPT 5.4 or you were just copying? I think she forgot because remember I made that pivot there at the end. I was like, oops, wrong one. Because this doesn't look like any GPTs to me. But maybe I'm going direct. Yes, I changed all of them to RBI agent. Okay. So we're not using open router. Is it because we're not using open router then? No need to change anything. That's cool. Let's go ahead and see if I can get into OpenAI. I'm just curious what this cost is. Okay, so we have open router in the, if you go to the GitHub here, open router is actually a new ad prior to open router. I swear I didn't know about open router, so I built my own router. Got models here, and you can go here and you can see like OpenAI model. So it's super easy to flip in the new, you know, GPT-5, GPT-5 mini. Now we're on GPT-5 5.4. So it's super easy to flip it in. And, you know, DeepSeek, Claude, Gemini, Grok, Olama. And then we added Open Router, 3 weeks ago. So I think Open Router is sick, XAI. But in this case, we're using direct to OpenAI. I want to see if I can get a handle of what this is costing. I'm going to run it back because I messed it up low key. I shouldn't have stopped it. But I think this is going to really be like a week-long test to really give you a full analysis of how it actually how it goes in my workflow. You can see I go pretty hard. I have 6 Claudes always going all day, and I'm indifferent on what AI I use. I just want to use the best AI. So I need to figure that out this week, you know? Can you go ahead and put 10 new strategies on that ideas.txt? Thank you. Now, obviously, I would usually go ahead and take actual strategies here. moondive.com/roadmap has a bunch of my ideas. You can see the main framework I follow to automate my trading. It starts with research, then you backtest. So that's literally what this AI swarm is doing, is researching and backtesting based off of the ideas I send it. So I should go ahead and just say, hey, throw some of these ideas in there because I give you a bunch of ideas on the roadmap. Random ideas, carry trade, mean reversion, pair trading, momentum ignition, etc. I could just say, hey, throw some of these on there. Okay, let's go ahead and throw some of these on here. This is a roadmap for everybody. Go ahead and throw these ones on there as well. Make them a little more sophisticated and add the ADX into each of them. Okay, sick, dude. So you can see she's already working now because we threw new ideas that on the ideas.txt. So it's just a simple file. You throw the ideas of what trading strategy you can see: volume profile, LVN rejection, stochastic reset, trend slope confirmation, RSI failure swing, plus anchored VWAP. So I think this is a pretty dope use case. And I love to test this on every single new model because why wouldn't you ask the AI, hey, can you print me money yet?